Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up Alipay app. Next thing we want to do is to click on accounts. Next thing we need to do is to click on setting icon from the top. Go ahead and click on general. Go ahead and click on manage storage. Now you are here. You can review Alipay cache file, notification, and clear data right here. So at the time of making this video, I have about 154.1 megabyte cache file that need to be deleted from my Alipay account in order to free up more storage space. For that, what we need to do is to click on manage right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Select as many as possible cache file right here. I'm going to select cache file for mini app, videos, and other files. Next thing I need to do is to click on clear right here. Confirm you want to clear the selected cache file. Click on confirm. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.